if you get a set that has switched tops, then switch everything from here to here and from here to here. Now, to get this off, it's a 19mm. So let's take this off, right? Put this here. Let's take this top off. Put it here. Take this rubber boot off. I think they're the same rubber boot, so. Now let's unscrew this all the way. So this is the rear. Now let's do the top. Let's continue on with this top hat here. Let's take away the spring. Okay, now compare this spring to the rear spring. The front has 13.5 in thickness, and this one has 12. Take this off. So the same procedure. Now let's put this one inside. Let's put this ring on. This is a locking ring. And then we have this preload adjuster. So let's put this on. Now there is no torque spec. I asked them about the torque spec and they couldn't tell me. Okay, let me put the monotube on. Put the top hat on. Put the cap inside. It's because of the thread locker there, or the locker, whatever. So I try to, usually it doesn't hold the tube. That's it. Now remember, this is just my situation. Yours could be completely different. You might get it as assembled here and you don't have to worry about none of this. I'm kind of glad that I got to do this so I could know more about the coils and also save you guys a lot of headaches.